International Project Cooperation and Management Online Course. Business Case. Purpose of a business case. A business case is a detailed document to provide justification for undertaking a project, based on the estimated costs of development, implementation, and incremental ongoing operations and maintenance costs, set against the anticipated benefits to be gained and offset by any associated risks. The outline business case is developed during the starting up a project process and refined by the initiating a project process. The directing a project process covers the approval and reaffirmation of the business case. The business case is used by the controlling a stage process when assessing the impacts of issues and risks. It is reviewed and updated at the end of each management stage by the managing a stage boundary process, and at the end of the project by the closing a project process. Content of a business case. 1. Executive summary. 2. Reasons. 3. Business options. 4. Expected benefits. 5. Expected drawbacks. 6. Timescale. 7. Costs. 8. Investment appraisal. 9. Major risks. Executive summary. This highlights the key points from the business case, which should include the important benefits and the return on investment, ROI. Reasons. Defines the reasons for undertaking a project and explains how the project will enable the achievement of corporate strategies and objectives. Business options. Analysis and reasoned recommendations for the basic business options. Do nothing, do the minimum, do something. Expected benefits. The benefits that the project will deliver expressed in measurable terms against the existing situation prior to the project. Benefits should be both qualitative and quantitative, as well as geared to corporate and program benefits. Tolerances should be set for each benefit and for the aggregate benefit. Any requirements for achieving the benefits should be stated. Expected drawbacks. Outcomes perceived as negative by one or more stakeholders. Drawbacks are actual consequences of an activity, whereas, by definition, a risk has some uncertainty about whether it will materialize. For example, a decision to merge two elements of an organization onto a single site may have benefits, for example, better joint working, costs, for example, expanding one of the two sites, and drawbacks, for example, a drop in productivity during the merger. Drawbacks need to be costed and incorporated into the investment appraisal. Timescale. The period over which the project will run, given in the summary of the project plan, along with the period over which the benefits will be realized. This information is subsequently used to help timing decisions when planning, project plan, stage plan, and benefits review plan. Costs. A summary of the estimated costs given in the project plan, including ongoing operations and maintenance costs, as well as their funding arrangements. Investment appraisal compares the aggregate benefits and drawbacks with the project costs given in the project plan, including ongoing incremental operations and maintenance costs. Such an analysis may use techniques such as cash flow statements, ROI, net present value, internal rate of return, and payback period. The objective is to define the value of a project as an investment. The investment appraisal should also address how the project will be funded. Major risks. Gives a summary of the key risks associated with the project, together with the likely impact and any planning should they occur. References. Below is a link to the Axelos website. Assignment. Read Robert's case once again and write a business justification, business case, for the project. Then compare it with the example given in the next presentation.